Did you know Stalin had a personal executioner who killed over 7,000 people with his bare hands? Vasily Blokhin wasn't just any killer. He was the Soviet Union's most efficient murderer. Every night he would put on his leather apron, cap, and gloves. Then he would walk down to the soundproof basement rooms. One bullet to the back of the head. Next victim, another bullet, next. He developed this routine to avoid blood splatter, clean, methodical, deadly. During the Katyn Forest massacre, Blokhin worked 28 straight nights. 7,000 Polish officers. He executed them one by one, working through lists like a grocery store clerk. Stalin personally praised his efficiency. He received medals for murder, but the human mind wasn't built for this. The faces haunted him. Thousands of final moments burned into his memory. Blokhin became an alcoholic, paranoid. He saw his victims everywhere. The man who killed without emotion eventually died insane, destroyed by the very efficiency that made him Stalin's favorite weapon. Even monsters have breaking points.